Alright, so today we're going to review how to work in groups. So our objective, I will be able to review and practice group work norms. So going back, what does group work sound like? It sounds like talking about the task, one person talking at a time, peacefully agreeing and disagreeing with one another. What does group work look like? It looks like cameras on, unless told otherwise, the task being completed, everyone having the chance to participate. What does group work feel like? Feels like everyone is respected, opinions too, everyone feels involved, and there is no judgment. What do group captains do? The group leader keeps the group on track by calling on people to read passages out loud for the group, making sure everyone is on the same question. So let's model this. So let's say I want Natalie to read. So Natalie would read the first, I'm choosing Natalie to read the first passage. Okay, before we move on, did everyone get that first passage? That's what a group leader is going to do. Okay, now we can go on to the second passage. And now maybe Justice can read passage number 2 out loud for us. What does the timekeeper do? Group timekeeper keeps track of the time remaining in the breakout room, sets the time for how long the group works on a question, sets the timer to keep track. You can use your phones to help yourselves out on that. So here's a question. Who would win in a fight, a bear or a shark? Why? Okay, everyone. How much time do we think we need? Jason, you're saying 1 minute. Michael, you're saying 3 minutes. You know what, guys? I think we could do 2 minutes on this question. I'm going to take my phone out. I'm going to set the timer. I'm setting the timer for 2 minutes. Then we're going to come back and we're going to talk about our answer. What is a group reviewer? Group reviewers share the answers with the group first and can challenge the group to justify their thinking. So what does that look like? All right, I see Mariah said shark. Okay, Mariah, do you mind talking about that answer? You think a shark could win in a fight with a bear? Tell me what you mean.